First, we're going to start off this video by showing you this board. Secondly, I want to show you, watch what's going to happen in 2 seconds. Do you see the way it's blurry? Do you see the running fibrillation of whatever's going on in here? So I have to take off the autofocus. It doesn't work. That's the same thing as what the sun does to us, okay? Or the radiance in the air. Now I can cast in and make it clear by myself on the autofocus using it myself. Now what this thing is here is you see 30,888. If I would box 5 horses, all I need is 5 horses, A, B, C, D, E. They showed it to you right here. They have the superfecta, they have the trifecta, they have the exacta, win, play, show. Okay, all these are based on odds. Forget about the odds, the number of horses that are in the race or whatever else that the mathematics bring you to. Place is something different. You notice they don't give you a 20-cent or 60-cent, what do you call this, a wager? Okay, they have this to place a bet. Win, win. Okay, bet type place, place. But you're always going to place. Places all the time. Okay, 16th letter and 12th letter, 28. And then 9 is 37. So Nibiru is the first thing that comes to town, because what are you going to do? You're going to place a bet. And what kind of bet will you place? A place bet, which will be 37, 37. That will be 74. Gives you 2 chances. Will it be a win bet? That gives you 1 chance. Or will it be a show bet, which gives you 3 chances? Actually, it gives you 2. You must hit the 3rd one in order to be anywhere. Then the exacta. Okay, if you play the exacta, and it's $1, and there's 13 horses in here, it's going to cost $156. 78 is the gateway. 39 and 39, okay, 78 equals to your gateway. And that will be through Saturn, because that's the numeric value for Saturn. The reverse 27, 27, 3 by 9, 27, win a big red sun through Saturn. Now we're going to go, if there weren't 13 horses, and we're going to run it on 10. If we ran it on 10, 90 would be your cost. If we ran it on 9 in Venus, time would be 72. It means 2 worlds less the 10th world connect, because you're connected in the 9th world. You connect 4, 1, and 4 into the 9th world. Now, if you go to Chaldean, you would only get 56. 56 is the primary of creation, right? 28 is the cycle of the 2 moons, 28 days. At the same time, it's 14. 14 times 4, your DNA, or 7. 8 by 7 equals 56, and again, it is your gateway. 56 and 15 is 71, and it says your gateway again. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7, 7 and 8. Now we're going to go into the trifecta. And if it was a 20-cent trifecta, right, should it be the trifecta? What is the amount? 20, 60, $1, and $2. Here, at what point do they obligate us to change the world? Do you notice when they get 1, 2, 5, there's no 3 and 4. So 30 and 40, or 3 and 4, cannot actually start until you get to the 10th position, because the odds tell you this. I don't think there's any wagering. These boards, okay, are the minds of perfectionists. They want it the best that they can ever be. They ask everybody in the world for improvement, help us out, and they're ready to give you money because they need it to be the best. Purple is on Q when you, okay, in horse racing, the 9 and the 10 horse both get purple in it. The 10 horse is a split of red and blue in thoroughbred and harness, and the purple is on the 10 horse and thoroughbreds. So if you have the 60 cents, you would create the 3 worlds, and your bet would be 1,029. Well, we want to get it to 10 horses. You put it in between here, and boom, it lights up all of them. You see that? In between. Gets them all. So you know now when we're playing the roulette numbers and we put something in between it, because it lights them all up, just like here. 10 horses give us 432 vibration. 108 times 4, 432. We go down to 9, we get 302 and 40. Now what is that 40? I'd have to think. Is it 36240? It's a big calculation for me. 40 is the 2020 world. Is that the 40? Because it comes at a point. 24 is what we want, or actually take a look. The numbers are 3, 2, 4. We already know between 0 and 0 is 6 and 6. and we're at the gateway of communication. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 is 8 and 6. creation world. 3 on this side, 2 on this side. Okay, so now we're going to go into the superfecta, and we're going to go, let's go to the dollar because it's easier. We're going to see at the dollar, it's going to tell us 17,000, okay? 17 and 16, 33, that is the mass. When we go to 20 cents, boom, it is vibration. So automatically know, okay, by putting the amount at 60 cents, 296. 96 is rotation of 102. 162 is something to do with the way the Mayan cycle works. I just know. 171 will create 78, the gateway of the 60-second clock, and that runs off of a Mars, right? We're going to take away 3 of these. Okay, so we took them all away. Now at 10 again. Inside the 60 cents, we have vibration. Inside, we're going to have to go down to 20 cents and do the same thing again. And then minus it, and minus it. Take away these 3 things. And we get 1,008. Now this is one twin tower. I always look at 108 at one twin tower because you're never counting the top floor. You never count the top floor, which makes it 110 stories. So it's 108. Basement and top floor, 36, 36, 36. That's the way I do the calculation. It also shows the divided worlds and split through the sun because of 5040. 54 is the sun. And the split because 66 is the split. And how do you get there? 4 enters 1 in to create 5. The 4 and 3 are reverse of each other. The 2 and 5, so you have 2 and 3 beta communication connecting this area over here. If I went to the $2 amounts, it would be the same thing as the 20 cents. So we don't need to go anywhere. $20, $2, $20, $200, they're all the same. 60 cents only happens never. It only happens here. And there's a reality, a special reason for it. I don't know what it is. I don't have everybody's head in my head to figure everything out, but I'm just showing you what it is. Now we're going to go to the last one. Okay, and the last one is the high 5, where you got to pick 5 in a row. When it comes out to all 13 horses, creation of 888, which is the same thing as saying in Mars, reverse this, right? If I reverse this, is 30 seconds to 30 seconds, my calculation, sorry. My question is, how do I reverse this? 95,000, right? Separation again, 6 and 6 through 5, because the 4 shows up. 444, you see, 15444, area space. DC, Mars, 1 and 5, 2, 3, 4 vibration inside these numbers. 1 and 5 equals to 6. So now we're going to go and remove these. Whoop, hold on a second. Now we have 10 here. 55, 44, 91, 1188. Now I don't know what it means, but I know 88 connects the sky. Now it just disappeared. 3024 is the vibration connecting 4 times 12, 48, 5 times 12, 4 and 5 again. Vibration connected through the sun. And here is your 10. Now if I did this and just did one of these, again, vibration. Choosing just one horse gives me vibration. Now, if I go to 60 cents, again, vibration at 60 cents, unless this thing didn't change. Whoop, and now it disappeared. Anyways, Raphael 7286, while I had the chance to do it, thank you for watching this video.